ito ay flowering gland. No? So, yan yung flowers niya. At kung mapapansin niyo, ang bulaklak niya ay kamag-anak siya ng Calachuchi. Itong mga gumagamit ay naniniwala at maaaring quoted, no? Hindi nga lang napapatunayan ng mga scientific.
Ready? 1E and up. 5, 6, 7. 1E and up. 2E and up. 3E and up. Left to right. 5, 6, 7. 1E and up. 2E and up. 3E and up. 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? 2 counts. Pababa, 2 counts pataas, 2 counts pataas. Let's try. 2 counts and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Yes. Wait. And balik taas. Then down. Okay?
Today, our lesson is all about SDGs and each group must present one.
So, first up, of course, yung pinaka-well-known is yung Build project. Right, next.
Other projects that under this, the PRDP are the new storage facilities, warehouses, coconut facilities, and event training program.
Today, we will be having a quiz that will cover the key concepts discussed in our street dance sessions.
My score is
Minus.
16. Look at our scores. 22. This is out of 20. Yay! What did you get?
More than perfect.
Wow! 2. What did you get? Well, you're seated there.
JIS location na tayo ng Pilipinas. Wala naman na kayong babaguhin. More information lang.
Guys, nagtuturo na yung pro. Ayaw niya sa akin. 2.95. Cannot be open. Nakalagay. Drip check. Grip check.
I asked my professor if my brother could sit in on our street dance class so we could go home together afterward.
And then sa Baguio area, or sa Luzon, or Cordillera, we're all covered. And then some boats, and so on. Iba-iba yung mineral occurrences. Ito, again, chromite, and then nickel. So then,
Our activity today is to classify different types of rocks based on characteristics like luster and hardness, and to explore their real-life applications. This is a group activity, so I will be working with my groupmate Ash.
and then white na minerals. So ito siya, malalaki pa rin yung minerals niya, but it's on the lighter side kasi, again, this one, mas lower na temperature siya na form.
Para magbibitbit ng ating panawagan para sa mas mataas na budget, mas marami pang student services, at mas marami pang scholarship and S-Class club. Pangatlo naman po para sa ating basic services, no?
Metamorphic rocks. So starting with gneiss, schist, phyllite, tapos slate.
got a big, let me search it to find out how hard I got worth it. Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive, it's why I need number. It's your primitive.
Okay? Do a circle, clap up. Talaga siya. And down.
Sumasayaw sila guys. So nakakapagod. We're done. As we're done, we're gonna go to rock. Going Tuesday! And it's Sangyup Day! Guys, may nuts tayo talaga kami. Nagbulak-bulak kami.
Sabi po ni Leia, alis na raw kami.
Sabi ko, alis na ako. Tapos sabi, hindi ko sinabing sumama kayo. So yummy! I like kimchi. Wala po kayo. Bakit di mga wala? Balas talaga kasi. Yay! I'm here with the whole gang! We're gonna get Sangyup again! Zion! We have Zion here! Sangyup Virgin!
It's a Friday night, so the place is busy and their service is a bit slow.
Gagamitin pa nila to.
Take 2, Epa.
We're here in Hansel's condo! Doing makeup.
I don't know if this is okay. Bala ka dyan. Dadaanin na lang natin sa Shimmerly.
Ganda. Oo nga, sa Shimmer fixes everything.
Yeah, it really
It brings
does.
us together.
Gab does my makeup.
The lead.
Look at my sister's nails. It's so
So nice.
For free.
Maganda pang cutie.
Wala, expired na yung yung kati ko kasi kinikure.
And then dark person. Ay, may Natalia. Shit, ang sarap ni Hanzi!
Hi guys! So we're done! So this is our look for hip-hop.
Okay, practice.
1, 2, 3, go.
Leia, fix your face! At paangas! Walang ganyan.
Like what?
Give yung
Facial expression.
Give dom. Feel na feel. Ganon. Walang kwindura.
Yan, ganun ako. Face coach!
Guys, kumuha ko daw si Quindoro. Like,
Di ba may face practice ang mga K-pop idol?
Hi guys, this is our last day of street dance. Thank you po for the potluck. Thank you po.
isa pa sa pinagkataon.
Tama na tayo. Kamufu yung katabi ko, guys.
Aside from
Nagpaplano na yung mga
rights,
yan.
they will win
Mamaya
BioML
mag-away.
merch. And I would also like to next for the Sophies, your category is macromolecule. 3, 2, 1, go! You are looking organelle. 3, 2, 1. Seniors. Type of organ system. 3, 2, 1, go! Zero points for the senior. Digestive enzyme. I repeat, digestive enzyme. 3, 2, 1, go! Hydrogen!
Ano daw? Baliw!
I'm so sorry, pero hindi daw po kami. Bias Sabini. 3, 2, 1, go!
Sayang yung nasimulan mo. Ito yung madalas nating naririnig o nababanggit sa tanang buhay natin. Siguro kaya ko lang din ito gusto pag-usapan sa atin. Kasi nga minsan, meron mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, hindi natin inaasahan. Na pilit mo mabibitawan lahat ng pinagdira. Ngunit subalit lahat ang part. Huwag sana kayong matakot na simulan ng isang bagay dahil nangangamba kayong hindi nyo maitapos. Hindi kaya may dahil nasasayangan kayong iwan ang kung anong meron ngayon. Pero wala naman siguro sayang kasi lahat naman ng pinagdadaanan natin meron tayong matututunan kahit pa paano. Sabi nga ni Inang Kalikasan, huwag manghinayang, lahat may pakinabang, walang sayang. Mga plano man niyang nauglot, o tain na hilo. Sige congratulations guys. Mga nasusulat ko ng pero ano din. Nasapin nyo yan kasi ngayon lang kayo siguro makapagbabakasyon sa dali. Tapos balik naman kayo sa kuya, pagod, dugot pawis. Maili ka. Congratulations, well deserved ang inyong graduation. Lalo natin tapos. See you around.